Hey guys, welcome back to Jay's Strategy, where we talk about the latest and greatest crypto news and much, much more. So it's been a minute since we hopped on here, and you know what? We're going to utilize this channel. Alright, I got a couple people that are going to help me do some editing, video management, and more. So if you watch this and you want to do some editing, okay, and we make it to those incomes and profits, we're going to be good to go. And I do portfolio management, alright? So I could teach you guys portfolio management, and we're going to be doing it for a couple big companies, and we get paid a percentage every bi-weekly of what we make in profit. So say they have $100 million portfolio and we make $1 million profit in a week, 10% of that goes to us. That's, you know, $100K, and if there's 3 of us working, you know what I'm saying, that's awesome income. That's over $100K a month, right? And if everything works out, alright, we have a spot by the marina in Dubai, you know, and we're going to be working out of there. That's the idea. And then over in Afghanistan, okay, we brought these Bitcoin mining sheds, alright? So we're going to set those up, okay? So they cost me $25K to buy, and they make about $250 to $300 a day in Bitcoin. But with the volatility of price, okay, it's definitely going to be beneficial because we don't pay for electric. Alright, we give electric back to the grid, and the power companies pay us. So out there in those villages, okay, we could provide power to people in the villages and actually get paid for that power. And then when we get paid from those companies, we buy more Bitcoin, the top 5 that the US is going to be using, because if you guys haven't been following, alright, it's about to get real wild with crypto. Alright, and I've been studying the blockchain like crazy, all the different moves that are happening, the way money's been moving, alright, and you're going to be grateful that you saw this video, okay? Alright, so right now I'm just on X, just going to get a couple people to join, alright, okay. So I'm going to join the stream. Okay. And then, if we get a good number of people joining, I like to do the duck races, okay, and do little giveaways for, you know, loyals people, you know, good people. So, you know, that would be awesome. Alright, so if I can get, you know, people watching, okay, and then halfway through the video, I'm going to say a word or whatever, and then right at the end of the video, I'll do a duck race, okay, and ask for your names, and then there'll be a little bit of prizes. Alright? So let me just go ahead and post that. Let me put this on X, and then I'll do a quote tweet, right? Use my dictation. Hey guys, come join the live stream. Alpha information to the max. This is something you're going to want to hear. At the end of the stream, we're going to have a giveaway, a duck race. And then if you show up every day during the week when we start doing this, now, every 7 days, I'll do a big giveaway. If I see you here each day. Alright? And if you're broke and you show me your wallet that you're broke, I can help you out with a little bit of funds inside a multi-sig wallet and show you how to trade them. Okay? And show you what to look for. And then the next idea is a game that was worked on for a long time called War of Tribes. I'm going to get a meeting with the owners, okay? And it would be excellent because then you could buy the character NFTs, 4 different kind of characters, and there's villages, so you could buy huts and houses and own a village, and then you could team up with your partners in the village, and when people come to your village, you kill them, and then you get their funds that they use to enter the game. So, for instance, it says, explore the villages, alright, and go on a hunt to kill some orcs or whatever. And then each person puts, say, $10, and when you kill them, that goes to you. So if you sit in your village and you catch people walking through, alright, you can make money out, doing this. So we made a dev and a testnet version, alright, and it's actually really cool. We used Unreal 4, but now we're going to do it with Unreal 5. And then also, I'm building it on Roblox. And all the revenue that I get from the games, I put in a multi-sig wallet that's controlled by the team. So one person can't move the money, and then we manage the portfolio with the profits. Alright? Alright. Alright. I just wanted to get that posted up there. Okay, and we're talking to some peeps. Alright. Go to the Bitcoin chart using the hybrid system. Cryptocurrency prices right now. So I'm going to do a rundown for you guys, okay, about today's cryptocurrency market. Alright guys, you are shilling and chilling with Jay Strategies, where we talk about the latest and greatest crypto news and much, much more. Today is May 23rd, 2025. The market is hitting an all-time high. Bitcoin is sitting at $111,000 and $111,141, right? Almost 7% in the past week. Ethereum at 2,721. XRP at $2.47. BNB at 688. Solana 184. Dogecoin at 25 cents. Cardano at 83 cents. Tron sitting there at 27. All right. And then you got your Sui at 393. Those are the top coins, okay, that we pay attention to. All right. Okay. Yep, I just needed to make sure we were all fixed up over there. Okay. And then we are going to rock out. And I'm going to run through the charts. Alright. Okay, I see you. Yep. G Wolfman. Viper X, alright. So I'm seeing you guys. I just want to hop into this and you know, get it out there so that way we can tweet it. So let me get this and swing it. I'm utilizing CoinGecko today when I was going through the crypto prices, right? All right. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Make sure we got all of this on here. Bada boom, bada bing. Okay. All right. Mad love and respect. Okay. Yes, yes, definitely. Got to get something rocking and going here. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Bitcoin chart. Let me get rid of these markings here. I'm looking at the 1 hour time frame, and as you can see, okay, we have been riding above this 50 EMA and touching it. So I'm expecting a return back to the 50 EMA, okay, before we can continue higher, right? Because you could see on these charts, okay, after we broke above the 50 EMA, we keep retesting it, then we continue to the upside. Retest it, continue to the upside. All right? Retest it, okay? And then this is right after having a all-time high, right? So that is what we're looking at, and that's on the shorter time frame. But let me go ahead and take a look, and we're going to go on a longer time frame, which is the daily. All right? So as you can see, I'm using the hybrid system, okay? And then this shows me all the different things I need to know as far as indicators and, you know, working on the different crypto projects, right? Okay, so as you can see, we are above, okay, this last all-time high that hit over here, all right? And we broke above that 105 zone, all right? So, and then as you can see, you see this box here? Okay, that's liquidity areas sitting, all right? So if we break below this liquidity box area, then I'm expecting it to come back down towards the 100, okay? You understand what I'm saying? To get this indicator, all you need to do is go to indicators, okay, and type in Traders Reality, Traders, Traders Reality, okay? And, yeah. Traders, yeah, Traders Reality, and you'll see it right on there. And then that is how you get all of these indicators. So we're sitting at an all-time high on Bitcoin, which is awesome. Ethereum right now on the daily, okay? You can see that the 200 did cross below the 800 EMA, which we didn't want to see. It gave bearish pressure, but we came back to that moving average and we pulled above it. Now what I'm waiting for is a retest of this liquidity zone at $2,551, okay, because we hit that zone. That will give us that continuation, okay, to break through these other liquidity zone areas, okay. The next major area, which is right here, because this is what we saw happening, okay, in the liquidity zone areas, right? So we are paying attention to these specific zones, right? Okay, so yeah, yeah, my dude, you know, on everybody's hitting up on Telegram, all that, right? Now Solana, we're gonna break it down with Solana, okay, and we're gonna show you here on Sol. All right, so that previous low from those highs, okay, you saw how it swinged down. All right, now we are right back at that area, 185, okay? So my next suspected zone, okay, is going to be this top area right here, which is over 220 to 225, all right? So the next runner that I'm looking at that I feel is going to give us a nice run is going to be Solana, all right? BNB, okay, same thing. It's hitting that top, so right now it's getting a little bit of rejection. People were talking about XRP, so XRP will probably come to this area, 266, get rejected before it continues back to the upside because we're watching these moving average zones, okay? So that's the basic things that we're talking about. We look at some liquidity coins and different kind of things over there for trading and all that kind of stuff. So that way we can trade some of these Solana coins, right? And then that's what a lot of people like to do nowadays. And everybody's chasing the Solana coins. So we'll do some videos talking about different meme coins and all that to see what's happening. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter, okay? Because we got these new little accounts over here that we're rocking out. All right, this is where we're dropping information, okay? And we're using this, at AV Guy, okay, AV Guy 9, which you can understand there, all right? And then we talked about the crypto prices, all right, guys? Well, I want to be rocking out with you, but you were chilling with Jay Strategy.